guys, and welcome to Card Making with Crystal. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really cute baby boy chest of drawers card. It is really amazing and it's to match my last video, which was a baby girl chest of drawers card. Let's make it. Hi guys, so this is everything you need to make your card. I'm going to leave the measurements for all of these pieces in the description box, and let's get started. We're going to start with some die cutting. We're going to use this die cut and we're going to measure it at the base of this piece of paper, which is 4 1/4 by 11. You're measuring it up about 1/2 inch, and you're going to make sure it's centered using your ruler. So I have a 1/4 inch here from the middle of the die, and I need to just adjust it a little bit. That's fine for me. I'm going to grab my scoreboard and score on the 11 side at 5.5. And this is your base card. Now we're going to start this card a little differently we're going to put in the bow at the top here, and then we're going to get everything else built for the card. So I'm going to measure 1/4 inch on this card on each side. So I'm going to take some glue . Now that you have this, we're going to build our drawers, and we're going to measure where we're going to put our handles. I'm going to center it around the square in my craft mat here, and then I'm going to take my ruler and run it along this line, and I'm going to go 1 2 3, make a dot like this. So that's 3/4 inch, and from here I'm gonna go 1 2 3. It's 3/4 inch in from each side, and also you see that 7/16, and if you go here it's the same 7/16. So now, in order to get all our lines equal, we're going to do the same like last time and put them together like so. I'm going to grab my T-square ruler. So now let's measure this one. So we're going to do the same thing, which is center it on my craft mat so that we have an equal space on the top and the bottom. And because we know this one is 1 7/8, we're gonna measure this at 1 point under 1. So we have all our spaces where we have to put the knobs, and I'm gonna use dimensionals this time. It comes like this, and there's a sticker you peel off the top, and it's sticky at the bottom. All right, so we're going to center it on the piece of paper like this, and we're going to keep doing that. So we have everything lined up here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add the backing to all of these. We're going to use foam and stick it to the back of these. So we have everything up on the dimensionals, and let's start putting this actual card together. So we are looking to line it up like this. So we have 1 2 3, but this time the difference between this card and the other one is that we're going to put 2 on top here like so. So we're going to start sticking this down. This looks so pretty already. So let's decorate it. We're going to be blanket at the bottom this time. And now I'm going to put the handles on all the rest of them. This looks so pretty already. So let's get the rest of the items inside. While this dries, let's cut the sentiment for the inside. I printed this in Microsoft Word and I'm going to cut it out. See, it's on a full 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. This piece of paper is 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. So therefore we're going to go down 1/4 of an inch on this piece, and we're going to cut by 5 1/4 by 4. Thanks so much for joining me while we made this to match this. The cuteness is real. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any content, and stay crafty, my friends.